Excuse me, sir, can you... Not only does Denver have a sense of humor, they've got so much more. We're headed to the Mile High City for some music, food, and adult vibes. Let's go to the New West. First of all, the airport is massive. There's a model railroad in the middle of it, and I actually watched a cowboy get his boots shined. Now, you know we love us some public transportation and a good old train ride. Our residence is about a half hour away, so this will be a great little trip. Taking the train when you're in a city allows you to see what you're getting into. It really is like the great frontier, miles of white capped Rocky Mountains, even the occasional red barn. Look at that. We've made it. We're staying right on the Platte River at Kasa Union Station. This is what I mean when I say the New West. Sleek, right? Kasa is the new way to stay. Modern, artsy, fun, and techie. Yes, it's really a word. You can watch the full Casa tour on Sugar Pearls. I'll be sure to include the links below. The greater Denver area once belonged to several indigenous peoples, the Apaches, the Comanches, and the native name for Denver is actually Arapaho. You will find a lot of artwork and landmarks dedicated to Native people throughout the city. Now, what would a trip to Denver be without a few visits to the Flower Farm, Denver's premier dispensary for good times? Just like the sign says, sugar. When you're in Denver, you have to eat here at Nola Jane. This is fine Cajun dining in Denver. I'll include my video link and Nola Jane website below. Time for the concert with Mr. I Told Them, Burna, at the apartment. Yeah, the Denver stop got canceled at the last minute, but we couldn't resist this trip. It was still everything it needed to be. I was still extra, dancing and singing along. And this was just so sweet and romantic, having a concert all to ourselves. Then afterwards, we hit the club like some college kids for an Afrobeats after party. Okay, we had to finesse it a little, squeeze that lemon. Y'all, he even walked to Whole Foods and got me a pre-birthday coconut cream cupcake. Okay, now a really cool thing about Casa is that there is always fresh, piping hot coffee, just the way you like it, from Starbucks. Yeah, Starbucks. Come to think of it, they may do this at most of the residences around here because everyone deserves a fresh, hot coffee anytime they want it. I need good coffee with this guy. Now I'm all gassed up for our short hike to the Platte River bank. Wow. Another picturesque journey with this guy. It wasn't all work. A peaceful perch on the riverbank was apparently just what I needed. This was so sweet, babe. After getting thoroughly munchy, we decide to head across the bridge for pizza. Protos it is. First, we take a quick moment to catch the rushing waves. And you've got to see this. Denver has their own Lovelock Bridge. This is not the Old West sugar. It's contemporary and rustic. We always like to go with the flow and try not to pack too many things on a rigid itinerary. Just makes it more fun. This is a city that loves to move. There's access to hiking, biking, skating, but there are a crazy number of museums and restaurants to get into. Thank you, Denver, for the exceptional hospitality. And thank you to my favorite travel hottie for a birthday to remember.